We've been making a structure for the roof, to go onto school roof.
I visually plan it in my head, but then when it comes in a physical form, I think it's really good, because then you can see it's exactly how you pictured it in your head.
It helps you learn in case you want to make your own thing. You can use that and apply that.
It helps me work as a team with other people, new people, and how their ideas are inputted in mine and how they think about my ideas.
I think it's really important for students to be able to work with industry and, for example, architects, because it gives them real life examples and real life skills, and they can actually see what actually goes on in the real world.
Today we've been finishing off the project that we have been doing for 6 weeks. As you can see, it's nearly finished, and just the finishing touches right now.
It's the final day today, and they've put it all in place, and it's a very worthwhile experience. It's been fantastic for them.
This will probably stay open.
Harry, what if we added something under the wood?
Personally, I would recommend this for primary schools as well, as it will get them to know what they want to get into when they get to secondary school.
I would highly recommend doing a project with CAUKIN Associates to any other schools. In fact, I've got several schools that are interested and are wanting to know more, because it has been so valuable to our students. Our students have loved it. We've loved doing it as well.
We use each other's ideas, develop on them, challenge them.
It brings more confidence with students.
We all put hard work and dedication into it.
It's quite magnificent. yeah.